resources of Karnataka. Okay, the main water resource of Karnataka is divided into two groups. Number one, the east flowing rivers these all the rivers flowing in the east side, and the second one is the west flowing rivers, like our places, the west side flowing rivers. Here two types, the east flowing rivers and the west flowing rivers. See, let us turn the first one, the east flowing rivers. Here the mainly four rivers of Karnataka is east flowing: the Krishna, the Kaveri, the Pennar and the Palar. Okay, four rivers: the Krishna, the Kaveri, the Pennar and the Palar. And the main river of Karnataka is the Krishna and the Kaveri. See, for the Krishna there are many tributaries. I gave only the few tributaries I mentioned here. The tributaries of Krishna is the Bhima, Koyna, Tungabhadra, Ghataprabha, Malaprabha. See, for the question, explain the divisions of water resources of Karnataka. You have to write like this only. First you have to mention the east flowing river, then you have to write four name of the river, then again you should write tributaries of Krishna and tributaries of Kaveri. Here, this kind of answer you have to write in the notes. So the first one is Krishna. For the Krishna, tributaries are the Bhima, Koyna, Tungabhadra, Ghataprabha and Malaprabha. And the second one, very famous river of Karnataka is the Kaveri river. Kaveri river is also called as a Dakshina Ganga. North Ganga river is famous now. Like that only in Karnataka, Kaveri river is famous. That's why it called as a Dakshina Ganga. And the tributaries of Kaveri, Hemavati, Shimsha, Kapila and Bhavani. There are many, but these four are main tributaries of Kaveri. Hemavati, Shimsha, Kapila and Bhavani. Three tributaries means the main is like this. The mother is Kaveri and these all are like children. Small rivers. We start from Kaveri. Clear? So this is about east flowing Krishna, Kaveri, Pennar and Palar. And the second one is the west flowing rivers. See, the west flowing rivers are the Sharavati, Kali, Netravati, Varani. Okay? Only these two types, the east flowing and the west flowing. And next part of this lesson is irrigation in Karnataka. See, one more question will come. What is irrigation? The artificial supply of water for agriculture is called as irrigation. See, the natural supply of water means rain. If rain comes, all the plants will get the water. If rainy season, rain comes. But what about other season? In other season, we have to store and we have to supply the water. See, that's why it written as the artificial supply of water. You have to write which are the artificial supply, how you can provide the water for the plant through wells, canals, dams and tanks. Karnataka, the main dam is KRS dam. Okay. If question may come, which is the main dam, you have to write KRS. So, understood the meaning? Irrigation of Karnataka means artificial supply of water for agriculture is called as agriculture or irrigation. The next one, third part of this lesson is hydroelectric power project. So, the first hydropower project is started in the year 1902 and that is for Kaveri river at Shivanasabundra. The first hydroelectric power station is at Shivanasabundra in the year 1902 for the Kaveri river. And the second one, it is built in the year 1940 at Shimsha river. The first one is for the Kaveri river, second one is for Shimsha river. And this power station is named as the Mahatma Gandhi Hydro Electric Power Station. Clear? The first one, electric power project is for the Shivanasabundra and the second one is Mahatma Gandhi Hydroelectric Power Station. And the third one in the year 1947. And the third hydroelectric power project, it is for Sharavati river. First is Kaveri river, then Shimsha river and the third one is Sharavati river. It is near Jog Falls. See, because of all the hydroelectric power project, Karnataka is in the first place in India in all the power stations. Clear? Because in Karnataka there are many power stations. Because of that reason only Karnataka ranked the first rank. And the next, last part of this lesson is river water disputes. See, disputes means jagala, ola jagala, small fighting. See, Karnataka also have a fight with two river. One is the Kaveri water dispute and the second one is the Krishna water dispute. For the Kaveri water, Karnataka is fighting with Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. See, why it is fighting like this? Because Kaveri river, it is not only flowing in Karnataka state. Kaveri river flowing in a 4 states. All 4 states will get the Kaveri river water. One is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. And same way the Krishna